Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk water in solar panel. Today we're gonna get especially close to the crystal. The last video was about how to spot water on a crystal and a non-functional crystal. When the water dries on the silicone, grains form. Yeah, you can do that in the workshop. I like outdoor change. Of course, sometimes some interesting things come up again. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why am I counting? 9 crystals are underwater. This whole thing is poorly constructed by me. Glide together between the glass. There will be some videos about this in the future. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you to my subscribers.